Hi, I'm Ty Steinbrecher, Tech Service Manager at Boss Snowplow. The Boss Tech Service team is here to back you up. Today we're going to show you how to install the Exact Path Drop Spreader. The Exact Path Drop Spreader allows you to precisely drop material onto a walkway or sidewalk while still protecting that grass and landscaping around you. The stainless steel hopper with the polyethylene cover allows that material to stay nice and dry and free-flowing. Additionally, the polyethylene chute and adjustable feed gate make sure that material drops exactly where you want it to go. Before we begin the install today, let's make sure we have the proper parts and tools to get the job done. Now, let's get to work. Begin by removing and retaining the fasteners that hold the nameplate and deck plate to the chassis. Repeat this process on the other side. Place the 4 half-inch carriage bolts into the bottom of the mounting bracket. And loosely secure them using the bolt bracket and a 3/8" carriage bolt and nylon lock nut. Secure the mounting bracket to the deck plate using the previously removed hardware. Repeat this process on the other side. Torque the fasteners to 11 foot-pounds. Place the chute halves around the lift cylinder and connect the 2 halves using 2 5/16 bolts, the bolt plate, and 2 nuts. Remove the spreader bed shield and discard. Lift the spreader onto the Snowrator, aligning it with the chute assembly and mounting bracket. Loosely secure the spreader to the mounting bracket using the 1/2-inch nuts. Align the chute to the spreader using awl or small screwdriver. Secure the chute to the spreader using 8 1/4-inch bolts. Repeat this process on the other side. Tighten the 4 1/2-inch nuts to secure the spreader to the mounting bracket. Repeat this process on the other side. Repeat the process for the other side. Little pro tip here, take a zip tie, take the motion control lever and zip tie it up to the forward reference bar to give yourself some more room to work while you're installing this controller. Next thing we'll do is locate the knockout panel where the controller will mount. If you wiggle the panel back and forth, you can see the depression in the decal and carefully cut out the decal. Your knife should fall into the groove in the actual metal. Once the decal is punched, you can work the material back and forth and eventually it will break off. Before placing the controller into the unit, it's a little bit easier to hook up the intermediate harness first. So you have 2 separate plugs on the controller, one that says spinner power, the other one that says spreader motor. Spreader motor is where this intermediate plug is going to hook to. This will save you some troubles of wiring from down below later on. Now we'll take a drill bit, simply by hand, and punch the holes through for the bolts that'll secure this in. This is a 3/16 drill bit. This is just simply punching through the decal. Take our bolts through. Secure underneath with nuts. Last thing to do is to hook up the wiring. Locate the connector that says spinner on it. Remove the dust cap. Take our lone plug from the controller. Plug that into that connector. works. Change from broadcast spreader mode to exact path mode. We're going to press and hold the power and the slow functions till the LEDs light up green for broadcast spreader, and then slowly change to red for exact path, and you let go. Now you're ready to use it in drop spreader mode. We hope you found this video helpful today. If you have any questions, please contact the Boss Tech Service Team. We're here to back you up. Shop any other genuine Boss attachments for the Snowrator at bossplow.com.